At 7:57 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time Monday, Environment Canada has updated a severe thunderstorm warning for south-central Alberta. Extra care and attention should be exercised. The following localities are included in the warning: Brooks, Strathmore, Vulcan, Airdrie, Cochrane, Olds, Sundre, Calgary, Drumheller and Three Hills. Environment Canada meteorologists are tracking a very dangerous thunderstorm capable of producing very strong wind gusts, up to baseball-size hail and heavy rain. Take cover immediately if threatening weather approaches. Intense lightning is likely, and tornadoes are possible with any thunderstorm that develops.